Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Straight Outta Content brought to you by Flash Transfers. In today's video, I am talking about our content bears, Straight Outta Content. If you don't know, I've been working very hard to try to release like something new to go along with Straight Outta Content brand. As you guys see, I do kind of weird transfers and stuff like that. This is actually old school. This was done, I think, way before we even started transfers. This was done with vinyl, but I figured I'd wear it because it's the holiday spirit. So happy holidays to everyone out there. But yes, these bears have been a project of mine for a while. And you've seen my wife wear it. Let me grab this one over here. You see my wife wear it. This was just a test that we wanted to do. I used this, what is this, This Leviva Sports crew neck sweatshirt. But this actually didn't look good on me, but it looks really good on my wife. So I think women will really appreciate this. The look of it, that kind of baggy look. But look at this apparel is just really bad. Look, it's even got some holes right here that I didn't even notice. So this was just a test, but the actual print looks amazing on the apparel. So that's why I went ahead and finished the designs and put the transfers on the website for you guys in forms of gang sheets. So each gang sheet comes with every single bear, and each bear has a name. Each bear has a name, and I'm gonna show you guys right now how to go onto flashcustomtransfers.com and purchase these awesome content bears. So the theory behind the bears is a little bit different than everything else. And of course, this bear is missing because it's over here on this. So the theory behind the bears is really personal to me because everybody wants to do a clothing line, and we've all tried. I've tried to do many things with Straight Outta Content. But when I started designing these bears, I wanted to, one, make them personable and something that everybody could wear, no matter how old you are, no matter how young you are, and whether or not you're male, female, or non-binary. And I just wanted to just let everybody just love the art, just period. Just love the art, just like a Nike or any other company, whatever company that you may like wearing. Also, on top of that, I wanted something different that I'm not really seeing a lot out there. I have seen bears similar, but I wanted to make them personal. I wanted to make them very personal so that each person could kind of relate to their own bear. And the biggest difference of all is I will not be, of course, I have this right here for my wife, but I will not be making the apparel. You, the consumer, will make the apparel. So what I mean by that is you will purchase the Straight Outta Content official first edition bears. I think I have 6 bears. Yeah, 6 bears, 6 or 7. I have their names and I'm gonna release their names right now. But I have those bears, and this is the first edition. Bless you, while I'm filming. So this is the first set of first edition bears, and you guys will be able to purchase them and then create your own ideas with the logo. So you will make your merch using Straight Outta Content's logo. It would be like if, let's think of a brand. It would be like if, I don't know a good brand out there. Let's just say Nike, because that's the first thing. Let's just say Gildan. Say Gildan had, if they just didn't make blank, say Gildan made Champion. We'll use Champion, okay. Say, Champion has Champion on their hoodies and Champion on their stuff, right? But imagine if Champion allowed you to purchase their logo and then put it on your own apparel. Imagine if they did that. Imagine the ideas that we all could come up with if we were able to legally use the Champion logo or any brand that we really love to wear. So an Old Navy, say Old Navy were to be like, yes, you know what? We're gonna allow people to come to our website, purchase the logo, the logo will be sent to you. You then can cut it out or whatever, and then place it on whatever blank apparel that you choose. So at the end of the day, you're still wearing Old Navy because you're still wearing their logo. A car is just a car until a logo is put on it, right? A prime example of that is a Toyota. In America, you have 2 different brands. You'll have the Lexus and you'll have Toyota. But in Japan, they just have Toyota. All the Lexus cars that we get the different badge, they just have Toyota. So although they, you know what I mean? There's a lot of other brands like that in their native country or their native area, they just have one brand on it. But when it comes to here, it's rebranded on the same exact product. So that's what I want to do. You know that we like to do everything very different over here at Straight Outta Content and Flash Custom Transfers. We like to be trendsetters, not trend followers. We like to lead the industry. So again, my business is manufacturing. So whenever I get to do hobby, fun projects like this, it's just great. It's not about money in any way situation. Of course, I'm selling it, but I'm not selling it to maximize my profit. There's no profit margins like that are maximized in this process. I'm just looking to see if I can make the proof of concept work. So you guys will be able to purchase a Straight Outta Content first edition bear logo. And I just want to see all the ideas that you can come up with. So whether or not you put it on pink hoodies or blue hoodies or not even hoodies, if you put it on pillows or you put it on jackets and then you make bigger ones and smaller ones and all that other stuff, and then you place it in different areas or you just have one, whatever you want to do, I want to see it. I want to see what you can do with my logo. That's it. That's what I'm going to do. So at the end of the day, you will have the option to create anything that you want using an awesome logo. So here's how you go to Flash Custom Transfers and purchase the new first edition Straight Outta Content Bear logos. Let's go on over to the computer. So let's jump in. Boom, we're in the computer. You're gonna come on over to Flash Custom Transfers. Now you're gonna have two options. Everything that we post new, whenever it's new, we put it on the website. So as you can see, we got these new images here. These are downloadable images that you're able to get. And then these right here are the custom gang sheets. But we're going to come down to the exclusive Straight Outta Content Bear Collection, first edition 2022. I have them in the colors that we have here. And then we also have black. So if you have white apparel, you can download the black one and you can put it on there, or you can download the color one. We're going to click the color one and I'm going to go over the names. Each bear has its own name. Thank you to my daughter. Shout out to Lulu's Colorful World, AKA Alora Ali, my daughter. Thank you. She named all of these bears. So I'm going to go over the bears' names with you. Alrighty. So we got bear number 1. His name or her name is the bear's name is Lil Bonnie. Number 2, that bear's name is Lil Loco. Number 3, that bear's name is Lil YouTube. Man, I don't know. This kid is funny. Number 4, that bear's name is Lil Angel. Number 5, that's Lil Duchess. And number 6, that's Lil Buttercup. So as you can see, I fit one of each bear. These bears are big. I think they're at, they're adult size. So I want to say they're no less than 10. No less than 10, I think as high as 11 or 12. Inches width. So, but I kept the proportion. So some bears may seem a little smaller, like this bear, Lil Bonnie, may seem a little smaller than Lil Loco, but it's just because his file is more of a square and Lil Loco's is more of a rectangle. And then I included all little YouTube hits so that you can put this one, because this design right here that you can see on the screen, this one right here is more of a left chest hit or multiple prints. But again, they're on there for you to do whatever you want with it. Create your own design. Again, I will not be making apparel for the masses. I will only be making the images so that people can use the design. And then you can say, hey, this is Straight Outta Content. Hey, this is a Straight Outta Content design, but I used his logo to create my own design. So yeah, I included a bunch of left chest hits, and then each one of these smaller ones, these left or right chest hits or whatever you want to do with them, these smaller images, these are all at 3 inches. So the whole gang sheet is $50, the whole gang sheet. So it's just 6 big images, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 smaller ones. You can do with them what you want. So, and you can sell them too. Please sell the shirts. You can do whatever you want. Once you purchase it, you can do whatever you want. These will only be available for a limited time. I'm thinking I'm gonna run this first edition bears until my birthday, and then I will create a new set of bears, and these will go in storage or something like that. I don't know. But I'm just gonna continue to keep releasing about 6 bears each in little waves. So this bears, my birthday is March 29th, 2023. So I think that day is when I will release the new set of bears. But let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. So that's, a lot of people ask me about the bears. Let me go over to the black ones. A lot of people ask me about the bears. Can they get them? Can they get them? Because they really enjoyed this sweatshirt. And again, this looks really, really nice. It's just that the sweatshirt material. So please, you come up with great material to put the images on. And again, throughout videos, you will see us in the, you will see our creative design, how we took these bears and what kind of creations we came up with. But again, please tag me in anything that you make. Anything that you make, please tag me on Straight Outta Content on Instagram, Straight Outta Content or Flash Custom Transfers on TikTok, Flash Custom Transfers on Instagram, or Flash Custom Transfers or Straight Outta Content on YouTube. Please tag me and tag us so that we can see your creation, so that we can repost it. And these are the black images. And as you can see, we'll zoom in here. You can see the whole outline is black, but the content is in color. The content is in color. So I can't wait to put this on a garment. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Make sure that you get all your designs done and everything at flashcustomtransfers.com. If you have any questions, email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. Don't forget that we also have gift cards now available on the website. Go check that video out and stay tuned for the next video. Be basic. Peace.